Bubu and Lulu family story time. The Hare and the Tortoise. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a fast and boastful hare. He loved to show off his speed to the other animals. "I'm the fastest in the forest. No one can beat me," he bragged every day. One day, a slow and steady tortoise spoke up. "I may be slow, but I believe I can beat you in a race," he said confidently. The hare burst out laughing. "You? Beat me? That's impossible," he chuckled. But the other animals encouraged the race, and soon the whole forest gathered to watch. On the day of the race, the hare and the tortoise stood side by side at the starting line. "Ready, set, go!" shouted the fox, who acted as the referee. The hare bolted down the path, leaving the tortoise far behind. "This race is too easy," thought the hare. "I'll take a nap under this shady tree." Soon the hare fell fast asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept walking, slowly but steadily. Step by step, he passed the sleeping hare and continued toward the finish line. When the hare finally woke up, he gasped. "Oh no! The tortoise is almost at the finish line." The hare dashed as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had already crossed the finish line. "Hooray for the tortoise!" the animals cheered. The tortoise smiled and said, "Slow and steady wins the race." From that day on, the hare learned an important lesson. Boasting gets you nowhere, but patience and perseverance lead to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.